We just took in this 2013 Crossroads Sunset Trail Reserve SF26RB. It's a triple slide, 10,000 pound fifth wheel with a slide coming out the front cap. Let's go check it out. You heard me correct. This is a triple slide out fifth wheel, around 30 foot, just over 10,000 pounds, and it has a slide out coming out the front cap. Super unique. But welcome back to RV Walkthroughs. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona, and we get a look at one of the most unique fifth wheels I think I've ever seen since I've been doing this for the last 7 years. It's a 2013 Crossroads Sunset Trail Reserve SF26RB. It's a little shorty with a lot of space and super unique floor plan. So we're gonna give it a full exterior walk really quick, and we're gonna make this quick because it is getting dark and I don't want to run out of sunlight. So let's start up front. Got a nice big storage right here. Not a pass-through, it doesn't have an opening there because your propane tanks, but has an area for the battery right there. Continuing on, like I said, those propane tanks. Got a couple of them right there. Got some landing gear up front. 3 steps that will roll into each other. 26RB, as we said, non-full body paint. Some of your decals are starting to crack and peel and fade, and the sidewall's starting to get a little chalky, which, you know, it's 10 years old, it's seen some sun, so it tends to happen. Looks like you got gear driven slide on this kitchen slide out. Back of the fridge, sorry how tight it is right here. Let's see if I can find a date code. I don't see one on that tire. Let's double check this one. 0719 right there, and they are, dadgum, it's so dark I can't even see the size. We'll find it out on the other side, I'm sorry. All right, let's open this really quick. You got an outdoor kitchen area, a little Black & Decker fridge, some storage up top, areas to hook up a TV, a little baby sink in here, and a little bit of storage down below. Very, very nice. I don't know if that Black & Decker's even been used. You do have an electric awning, comes out with a push of a button. It's pretty much out as far as it's gonna come, and I was able to get it out even over this trailer. Awning material looks good. A little dirty on the under area, but no big deal. Sewer storage back there. Got an area for a spare tire. Here is that rear cap. As you can tell, there is no ladder. We will not be looking at the roof today. It's a single AC system, 30 amp power service, as you can see with this little cable. I'm not sure, I haven't figured out what this is yet. If you guys know, let me know down in the comments. I don't see like a propane quick connect, so I don't think it's for a grill. It'd probably be on the other side if it was. City water, flush, outdoor shower, 30 amp service, like I said. Almost even darker on this side for the tires. I'll check on that front one. But you got another 3 foot deep slide right here, kind of your main galley slide. ST500. Okay, well, I'm either blind or I just can't see the tire size. I'll have to look it up and I'll put it on screen. Look at that slide out right there, out the cap. Should be a 6-gallon water heater. Here we go. 10,160 in terms of the loaded weight. Cargo carrying capacity 2,736. So you're looking at 7,500-ish, 7,300-ish dry. Yeah, 6-gallon right there. It is gas or electric. And then this is an area for a battery. All right, that was a quick walk of the exterior. I can't wait to show you this front cap. I've never seen one of these. It's one of the more unique things I've ever seen in an RV, is a slide out coming out the front cap. All right, so let's wipe the feet because it just rained. I'm already gonna make a mess. Shut that door. This is what you see right when you walk in. You are greeted with your first slide out right there. Guys, your dinette and your couch in it. And then your next slide is gonna be for the kitchen. It has your microwave, stovetop, and fridge in it. And then you got this little L-shaped island, rear bath, front bed. So we're actually going to start right here in the kitchen. When this slide comes in, you do lose your walkway right here, which kind of is expected with island kitchens. 3 burner gas stove top, oven, standard microwave right here with some decent storage. But you actually got a lot more storage in the, not island, but in the kind of sink area. Sorry, it's a little dark. There is no extension on the faucet. It is just a dual metal sink. A little bit of a voice crack there. And then 2 of those drawers. And of course, all your counter space, solid surface countertops. Almost forgot that name. And then a whole bunch of storage up top. All right. Your entertainment center is located right in front of the bedroom. Does have a full motion mount Samsung TV, 32-inch. Little fireplace in there. And then you got storages right there. Storage is right there. Same exact thing on the left side. And then this tall people storage up there. All right. Now, both of these are technically sleepers. Standard boot dinette, drop table down, got an area for 2 small adults, definitely 2 kids. This one's a little bit more different. Remove the 2 cushions, remove the back cushion, and then it folds over itself. It's kind of like a trifold without the legs because it does lay on the ground. So technically you got sleeping for 6 people in here. All right, let's look at the rear back because this thing is massive. You got a corner shower. You got a little vanity to the right with a small medicine cabinet. And of course, toilet down there. Look at all this storage. There's even more. So let's actually start with this top left storage. Open both those so we can kind of see in. See, it goes pretty decently back there. Got a little bit of wallpaper peeling in there. And then you got 2 of these. And then down below them are a couple other little small ones. Looks like plastic toilet in the corner. Let me open this back bathroom door so we can see the shower. Little skylight in here too. And it's not on the upper level where the bed is, so you actually get a little bit more headroom in there. And then that is a medicine cabinet. Right, let's flip her around real quick. Go straight up into the bedroom. Bedroom does have 3 step-ups into it. 1, 2, 3, and then another one into the actual mattress. Control panel, slide control, thermostat, another slide control. All right, so you got a queen bed in here. Obviously, this is the slide out. You do have storage under the bed. It's a massive storage, but it's not on struts, so it's hard to lift, and I'm not going to do it with one hand. Little corner area, 110 outlets. Same concept over here. And then in front of the bed, you got some additional storage and wardrobe space. And an area to mount a TV if you really want to. Not only that, area to put shoes down there. So very cool. Let's go take a peek at the printout so we know what we're selling this thing for. $17,995 is our selling price. Here are some of the specifications on it. Some basic info. And then this is going to be hard to see because it is so small, but that's your floor plan. I know you're not going to be able to read the words on it. I'm sorry. And kind of same concept with the standard features and options. I tried to highlight a couple of them, but there really wasn't too many things in this size of a fifth wheel that were options in it. All right, last but not least, let's put the slides in, see what it looks like while we are in travel mode. I'll be right back. All right, and here it is with both of your slides in the galley and the bedroom slide in. This is by far your deepest slide, 3 foot deep. You lose all access to the bathroom. Not shot in hell you're getting back there. And the fridge, and the stovetop. I'm sorry, and the oven, not the stovetop. Microwave still accessible, stovetop still accessible. Half of the dinette somewhat accessible. You might actually be able to use the bed if you need be. And then finally, the bedroom. Bedroom slide is in. All it does is minimize your walkway, or gets rid of your walkway, I should say. You can still completely use the bed. You can't get to any storage except for on the right side. But if you have to pull over at a truck stop, definitely still usable. All right, let me shut this door. Let's go outside and check it out. So there's your first slide out for the kitchen. Your next slide is going to be the front cap that's in. And then, of course, the biggest one, the driver's side, kind of living room slide. Now, if you have any questions on this, I will put all my contact screen on Wow. If you have any questions on this, I will put all my contact info on the screen right now. You're welcome to reach out to me via call or text. Let me know how I can help. You know, I can't see it in person, but it looks like you may have a little bit of rippling there on the fiberglass through the video. That's crazy. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for viewing. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Have a great day.